Hello everybody, welcome in our new grammar session. The name of session is degree of comparison, right? Let's see what is the degree and what kind of changes occur during the adjective when we see different form of degrees, right? Let's see. Adjective and adverbs can have three forms that indicate comparison of the quantity or quality they represent, right? Look at the following examples. Okay students, look at that adjectives and adverbs. So here is the column in which the base form, comparative form and superlative form is given, right? Look at that. First of all, we will see the adjectives and it starts from soft. The base form of the soft is soft, right? And the comparative form is become like softer and superlative form is become like softest. So I think you get a clear idea about the forms of degrees. Means there are three forms. Means first is the base form of positive degree, then second is comparative degree means comparative form, and third one is superlative degree means superlative form, right? So look at that second example. Strong became stronger in comparative, strongest in superlative, right? Then good, better, best, then careful, more careful and most careful, fast, faster and fastest. Look at that, some adverbial changes. Look, strongly became more strongly and then most strongly, soon, sooner and soonest. So these are the changes in degrees, right students? Look at that. The base form does not make any comparison. If there is a base form, then there will be no change while using in a sentence. First only you have to just put that base form in as and as, means in as. I will tell you the example. Sunita is as tall as Rashmi, right? Like that you have to put the base form of the adjective or adverb in as. Okay students, look at that next one. The comparative form from compares two people, objects, places and action. Means comparative form you can use when you have to compare between two people, two objects or place or actions, right? So soft became softer, better, more careful, like this. Okay, look at that third one. The superlative form compares more than two people, object, places, actions, etc. Then the superlative forms of some words are softest, best, most careful. We will let's discuss it in details. Comparison of adjectives. Okay students, let's see. The comparative and superlative forms of adjectives are formed by adding the suffix er and est to the base form. Students, when you have to make the forms of comparative and superlative of given adjective, then this is the line that you helps. Okay, look at that. To comparative and superlative form of most adjective are formed by adding er, means comparative you can make by adding er suffix and superlative by adding est. So thick is the base word, so it will become comparative by adding er, so thick become thicker, and by adding est the superlative form is formed of that base form, like that. Look at that, thick, thicker and thickest. Okay, wide, wider, widest. In each case you can observe, in comparative form we add suffix er, in superlative form we added est, right? Clever become cleverer and cleverest. Okay, like that. Students, if a single consonant at the end, if a single consonant at the end of some words is double in the comparative or superlative form, means sometime we have seen that there is a single consonant at the end of the word, like word big and sad. When there is a single consonant, you have to double it while writing the comparative form of it, right? So big become bigger and the spelling become like this, BIGGR, and in a superlative form it also became double, so it will become like biggest, like that. You can see sad becomes sadder and it will become in superlative saddest. Okay, so you have to double the consonant if it is a single at the end of base word, right? Look at that next rule. In the base words ending in a consonant followed by y, means suppose in a base word at the end of the word there is a y, then the y changes to I before the er and est, means you have to change the y into I and then you have to add the er or est suffix. Okay, so angry, look at that, angry, pretty are the words which have y at the end of word. So angry become angrier, and in superlative degree it becomes angriest. Pretty become prettier and prettiest, like that. So y became I and then you have to add the er or est suffix, right? If the base word ends in silent e, this e is dropped before adding er and est, means at the base word, at the end of the base word there is a e at the end position, means at the e is the silent, then true, look at that, true, then true become truer and truest, pure become purer and purest. Look at that, e was dropped and then er or est suffix are added to it. Like the same rule applies to base words ending with double e. Free, free become freer, then freest, like this. Okay, then irregular form of comparison. If some words are like good, many are they have irregular comparison forms, means let's see, some comparative and superlatives have the set forms and are not formed by adding er and est, means here we cannot add, or it is not possible to add er or est to their comparative form. So good, it cannot be formed like gooder, so good became better and in superlative it became best, like this. Many became more and in a superlative it became most. Okay, like this. Please get that point properly. Comparison by adding more and most. Students, still we have seen that we add only er and est to make the comparative or superlative forms of the adjective. Here sometime we need to add more or most prefix, right? How can we do this? Let's see. Adjective that consist one or two syllables usually form comparatives and superlatives by adding er or est, but adjective that have three or more syllables usually need more and most to form their comparative and superlatives forms. So let's see some examples. Base form with a single syllable, that kind. Okay, here look at that, kind means single syllable is there, kind become kinder, then kindest, wise become wiser, it became wisest. Then what happened with the two syllables? Tidy, tidier, tidiest, lovely, lovelier, loveliest, angry, angrier, angriest. Then look at that, some words that have more than three or more syllables. Beautiful became more beautiful, most beautiful. Okay, careful became more careful, and in superlative form it became most beautiful. Efficient, more efficient, in superlative form it become like most efficient, right? Let's see exercise number 1. Write comparative and superlative form of the following adjectives. I will help you for first 5 adjectives to make it comparative and superlative, and others we have to make your own. Young become younger and youngest. Fat, fat becomes fatter, fattest. Here consonant is single, you have to double it, right students? Light become lighter, then brave become braver, bravest. Happy become happier and happiest. While doing the change of the comparative forms of the happy, you have to remove the y and I you have to place at the end before the adding suffixes, right? So like this you can complete whole this exercise in your notebook. Let's read only what are the words are there: rich, lazy, deep, sticky, bold, neat, crazy, lucky, poor, strange, ugly, tasty, hot, full, and sweet. So these are the words. Write their comparative and superlative forms in your notebook. Students, there is the second exercise. Complete the following table with the correct forms of the adjectives. Here I have given a table to you to complete the whole adjectives. Here base, comparative and superlative forms you have to write. Sometime comparative form is given, sometime base word is given, and sometime superlative word is given. So you have to just complete that whatever the blanks are there. Okay, here in first case the comparative form of word is given, that is spicier, like then you have to write the base word and superlative word. So base word of spicier is spicy. Okay, then superlative form is spiciest. Okay, look at that next word. Different become more different, and in superlative form it will become like most different. Then here in case of third one, the superlative form is given, that is largest. You have to write the both base word and comparative form. So largest, its base form is large and comparative form is larger. Like this you have to complete this table also in your notebook. Look at that words: newer, blue, naughtiest, less, happy, worst, and smaller. Okay students, uh, then let's move toward the next part of the session, using comparative and superlatives. Comparative forms are often accompanied by the preposition than. Students, many of times you can see that when there is a comparative form, it will be accompanied oftenly with than. Let's see these examples. I am smarter than Jitu. Here we can easily identify the sentence is belongs to comparative degree because the adjective has the suffix er, and along with this there is a than. After that, comparative forms of the adjective, it accompanied with a than, right? So I am smarter than Jitu. Look at that next example. This plane is more foolish than the other. Okay students, then Sunita's sister is cleverer than, means look at that, cleverer than, foolish than, smarter than. So you can identify these sentences as a comparative degree sentences, right? Okay, so look at that next rule. When noun is modified by superlative form, they are preceded by the definite article the. How it will be, I will explain you. Superlative of refer to the highest degree of a quantity or quality. Okay, and the person or thing that has such a quality is unique. Suppose look at that example. Who is the cleverest boy in the class? Here cleverest is the form of degree, right? It is the superlative form, and it precedes the definite article the. Look at that. Every time when you write the superlative form of that base word, you have to write the before it. Who is the cleverest boy in the class? Again, look at that next example. Birbal was the wisest minister in Akbar's court. Look at that. Here also again the definite article the came before the comparative form of the word. Okay, Mr. Balram is the strictest principal I have seen. So in superlative degree, while writing sentence, you should mention the before superlative form of the word. Okay students, so there is a exercise for you, and let's see. Complete the following using the suitable form of comparison of the adjective given in the brackets, right? Look at that once again. I repeat, complete the following using the suitable form of the comparison of the adjective given in the brackets. Means you have to choose the correct comparative forms of given word in the bracket, right? Maybe it will be comparative or may it will be superlative form. Okay, so let's see. Today's breakfast is dot dot than yesterday's, and the word given is tasty. So look at that. Here than is accompanied. It means if there is a than, then you can use its comparative forms. So tasty became tastier, and y will be removed. So tastier is the spelling of tastier. You have to put that here. Today's breakfast is tastier than yesterday's. Okay, students. Okay, look at that. Next one. Amaravati is the dot dot restaurant in this area. Look at that. Here there the comes before the comparative words. It means it will be the superlative form. So superlative form of good is good, better and best. So Amaravati is the best restaurant in this area. Okay, students, I will help you to solve the third one also. Which dog is dot dot? Which dog is dot dot? Peppy or Tommy? So here you have to write only the base word. Which dog is friendly? Peppy or Tommy? Because than is not written here and the is also not used. Therefore you have to use only the simple form of the word. Like this you can complete whole the workshop or exercise given here. Okay, students, here is the examples that you have to write in your notebook. Okay, let's see. I will read these examples for you. Ranjit finds Hollywood films dot dot than Bollywood films, and the word is interesting. Our trip to the Andamans was the dot dot one we have ever had. That word is enjoyable. Mr. Singh was named the dot dot employee of the company. The silk from China is dot dot than that from India. In summer the days are dot dot and the nights dot dot. Which is the dot dot planet in the solar system? Deepak Prasad is the dot dot actor on TV. Like this you can complete whole the exercise of comparison of degree. Okay, students, here our session of degrees and the comparison is going to be finished. We will see our next grammar session in our next part. Thank you. Take care.